In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Smart Compose in Google Docs step by step. If you've ever wished your words could flow a little faster, this feature is going to feel like a friendly assistant sitting right beside you, offering helpful completions as you write. First, open Google Docs. You can head to the Google Docs homepage and choose a blank document or open something you're already working on. This works the same whether you're drafting a report, writing notes, or polishing an essay. Next, let's make sure Smart Compose is turned on. At the top of your document, click Tools, then select Preferences. In the window that appears, look for the option that says Show Smart Compose Suggestions and check the box. Click OK to save. You only need to do this once and you can return here anytime if you want to toggle the setting. Now start typing in your document. As you write, you'll see light gray text appear just ahead of your cursor. That's Smart Compose suggesting how to complete the word or phrase you're currently typing. Think of it as a nudge toward common phrases, dates, or sentence endings that match what you're likely to say next. Unlike spelling or grammar underlines, this text is inline and unobtrusive, so you can keep your focus on your own words. When the suggestion looks right, press Tab to accept it. The gray text immediately becomes part of your document, just like anything you typed yourself. It's a quick way to finish a sentence, add a common phrase, or keep your momentum going without stopping to think about the exact wording. If the suggestion isn't what you want, simply keep typing. As soon as you continue with your own words, the suggestion fades away. You're always in control, and ignoring a suggestion won't slow you down or change anything about your document. Here's a helpful tip. Smart Compose improves over time. The more you write, the better it gets at predicting your style and the kinds of phrases you prefer. It also works in multiple languages, so if you're writing in another supported language, you can still take advantage of these time-saving suggestions. If you ever notice suggestions that don't fit your voice, just continue writing naturally, and the recommendations will become more relevant. And that's it. With Smart Compose enabled, you'll write faster, keep your flow, and reduce repetitive typing. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.